Hi everyone, today I'm doing an unboxing video. What did it say? It's the box. Let's open it and find out what's inside. Go. Box. And here you go. So that's so as you can see, this is a box called Oakley. Let's see what's inside. Wow, very nice packaging, as always from Oakley. Has some barcodes and stuff. So this is the box. There's some manufacturer notice, instructions, some papers, and let's open it and see what's inside. Wow, comes with a very nice pouch, which is very good. I love it. You can always use it to clean your lenses, which is pretty good. So what you've got here we go. Wow, so what you've got here is that Oakley Jawbreaker Prism Road, a new sunnies. What's inside? Has something inside. Oh, it's here. So this comes with an extra nose fitting. So if someone knows bigger or smaller, you can switch it over. So the Oakley that I got, that's Tour de France edition. As you can see in the pouch, there's a little Tour de France logo in there. And here you go. That's my new Prism Road Oakley Jawbreaker. How I look. Alright, that's the video ends here, and see you in my next video.